Have you ever encountered this kind of problem when you're about to start cooking? When you start to open the rice cabinet, suddenly you see a lot of this black bug in your rice. And when you take out some vegetable from your fridge and take a look under their leaf, there is some white flies like this under the vegetable leaf. So it must be kinda creepy, right? Let's find out what this black bug do in your rice and white flies do under your vegetable leaf.
Hello everyone, today we'll be exploring about rice pests. One of the most common rice pests is black bug. In scientific terms, it is known as Cotynophora correctata. It is from order Hemiptera and family Pentotemidae. Black bugs remove the sap of the plant. They can cause browning of leaves, dud head, and bug burn. Their damage also cause stunting in plants, reduce tiller numbers, and formation of whiteheads. On severe cases, black bugs weaken the plant and preventing them from producing seeds. Now, let's talk about the life cycle of this black bug. During dry conditions, the female bug deposits its eggs on the leaves and stem. Eggs are also laid in cracks on the soils and roots. Freshly laid eggs are greenish and turn pink with age. Egg incubation of this black bug is 3 to 7 days. The nymphs are brown and yellow with black markings. 6 nymphal instars are completed in 29 to 35 days. Like the adults, the nymphs have similar behavior of remaining in the base of the plant during the day and feeding at night. The nymphs reach adulthood after 4 to 5 molts in 25 to 30 days. Now, let's find out why and where it occurs. The insect is common in rain-fed and irrigated wetland environments. It prefers continuously cropped irrigated rice areas and poorly drained fields. Damages are observed more frequently in dry season in rice crops and densely planted fields. Black bug flight patterns are affected by the lunar cycle. On full moon nights, large number of adults swarm to light sources. Staggered planting of the rice crop and excessive nitrogen usage also favor the buildup of the pest. During non-rice periods, the presence of alternate breeding sites favors population increases. We have talked about life cycle, why and where it occurs. Now, let's find out how to identify the crops that have been affected by these black bugs. Check leaves for discoloration. Black bug damage can cause reddish brown or yellowing of plants. Leaves also have chlorotic lesions. Check for decreased tillering. Bug burn symptoms show wilting of tillers with no visible honeydew deposits or sooty molds. Nextly, plants are also stunted and can develop stunted panicles, no panicles, incompletely accepted panicles, and unfilled spiculates or whiteheads at booting stage, and also check for dead hearts.
So how do we control rice black bugs? We can first flood the paddy field area because this will force the insects to move upwards and it can actually increase their egg mortality. Next, after harvesting the paddy, we can plow the field to eliminate any remaining eggs that may still be in the soil.
So, let's see about whitefly. Whitefly are hemipterans that typically feed on the underside of plant leaves. Whitefly are common pests of plants, particularly greenhouse plants, and a vector of several plant diseases. Despite their name, however, whiteflies are not the flies, rather they are in order Hemiptera, along with aphids, mealybug, and scales. So let's see about the taxonomy about whitefly. First, in the domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hemiptera, suborder Sternoricha, superfamily Alarodoida, and family Alarodeida. So, how about its life cycle? The greenhouse whitefly goes through 3 stages, namely egg, first, second, third, and fourth larva stage, often referred as a pupa, although strictly spoken, this is not true, and adult. So, at 70 Fahrenheit, the greenhouse whitefly life cycle takes 6 to 10 days for egg hatch, 3-4 days as a neem 1, 4-5 days as a neem 2, 5-5 days as a neem 3, 6-10 days for the pupa, and adult can live to 30-40 days.
Do you know what type of plant whiteflies attack? Whiteflies is the best insects for beans, sunflower, eggplant, chili, tobacco, and other ornamental plants. Do you know what is the symptom of the plant that is affected by whiteflies? They may damage the leaves and make the leaves consist of chlorotic spot. Later, the leaf will start to show yellow mosaic. Then the green area will become smaller and smaller.
So how exactly the pest damage the plant?
It will pierce and suck nutrients. This will cause leaf withering and premature drop, make the plants weaker, reduce growth, and also cause the plant death.
So, how to control the whiteflies? There are two ways to control the pest. First, use reflective mulches, which it can repel the whiteflies from vegetable gardens. Second, use yellow sticky trap. It can be used to monitor, or if it at high level, it can reduce the whiteflies numbers.